Lionel Messi is in a not Lionel Messi. Barca is in a very bad shape, and Lionel Messi is supposedly and looks like he's going to leave Barcelona. So, what are your thoughts regarding that? That's a good decision or a bad decision?
Also, my
And
question will be like a person sending a facts, and there are around, I heard 2 million or 3 million tweets going on in the internet. But it's weird that a player of a character of Messi is still not coming out in public and issuing a statement, which is kind of weird of me, because when I was following the Ronaldo saga going on, so even I guess less than 24 hours he came out and he and Perez gave a statement together that why he's leaving and when he's leaving. So I expected Messi to step up, because I heard there has been fans there at Catalonia. We see
yeah,
Puyol
Camp Nou
tweeting
is
with
surrounded with
Catalonian
right.
president. Yeah, the president is tweeting, but the protagonist Messi needs to step up. I feel it will be just for all those Barca fans who are literally having the heart in their hand right now. So I expect, but if he chooses PL, which looks favorable, we will welcome him, because that gives an added flavor to the Premier League itself.
All right. So, considering Messi comes to City, which is actually the one of the most feasible options, because the wage that he is worth, only City and Manchester United can afford it. So, like as a City fan, Avigda, how do you think Messi is going to fit in the squad?
Yeah, a player like Messi is just a player that every team wants in their squad. But the problem that will arise after Messi comes in City is that his wages, because we just now escaped FFP, and adding Messi into the squad will be a very strength to the team. And Messi shines on the Guardiola. We have all seen that. But the thing is that it will kind of create an imbalance in the wages of the players, and that can demotivate some players too. But yeah, as a City fan, I always want Messi to be in the squad, because De Bruyne in the mid, Messi in the forward, so it's a dream lineup. It's a dream lineup for every football fan right there. But some difference will create in the squad for the wages, because the wages that Messi wants. And given in England there are some taxes also on that, so I think there will be some problem regarding the wages. But if Messi comes to Manchester City, then it will be a very what I can say, cherry on the top. And yeah, and we can be the favorites of the next UCL also. But there are some pros and cons that are related to it. But yeah, I think Messi, and according to me, I think Messi right now, Barcelona is the team that Barcelona needs Messi right now at this moment, because they are not in a very good state. And if Messi leaves at this moment, it will be a very big hole in the squad of Barcelona, which is kind of because no player can key his boots, means the boots that he will left, no player can feel that. So according to me, I think Messi may stick to Barcelona. And yeah, we may need Messi, but not right now. I think not right now.
All
So
right.
that's
So
my view for.
And then
2 years
when
later,
what
2 years
decision?
later,
exactly, that's
He's
my
already
question.
32 or 33.
33 is
Where,
33.
I mean, not now, then when?
two
Yeah,
years later, I think.
2 years later,
This
if
No,
is
he's
not
going to
two
play.
years later, because the problem is that if we add Messi in the squad, it will kind of be a demotivating for the team, because the wages difference will become high. So my
Considering,
only concern is that I
No,
I can't.
the thing I want
Yes,
to
yes.
say, that when you are saying demotivating, if I am a football player, I will be demotivated when a player who is parallel to me is being paid more. But Messi is above parallel to any of the current Man City players. So I don't think that demotivation word will be the right to use, because everybody knows that Messi will be paid higher, and much deservedly will be paid
I,
higher.
I'm not worried about the wages at the moment because Man City can definitely afford them, but I'm worried about the game plan that
At
Manchester
the
United
FFP.
actually plays. That might be changed because someone has to do the running for Messi. This is a very important thing, that Messi at the moment is not at the top of his speed, not at the top of his endurance or stamina whatsoever, and it's going to go downhill only. It's not getting any better. So at 33,
and
that's
it
a reality.
and it sounds like Messi, City is putting in Jesus in the Messi transfer if it happens.
Yes, there might
Jesus
be
and Eric Garcia also.
Eric Garcia, right?
Eric Garcia wants to leave City because he's a Barcelona product, and we have seen all
Obviously.
Barcelona products eventually want to go to Barcelona. So that is like what's happening. But then this Gabriel Jesus
Jesus
leaving at
also.
this moment.
So do you
That
think
is not a.
Yeah. So, do you think Messi would be good if he is deployed as a right winger? Because if Messi plays as a right winger, if he cuts in, there is a massive defensive hole on the right side that Messi, even if he tries his best to run, might do it for the first 30-40 minutes. But after halftime, I don't think he can do in at least in PL where the game is so rough and fast. It he can do, but I think he's going to face a lot of trouble doing
Yeah.
that.
Will be
Someone
Yeah,
is
yeah,
really
going to be
yeah.
interesting
running.
to see Messi playing 4 games in a week. Though.
I'm not underestimating
Exactly.
Messi, but I'm considering even if he's a genius, even if he's one of the best that football has ever seen, he's still 33 years old and he's not as fit as Ronaldo. We have to accept that fact. And Ronaldo, even Ronaldo, we can see him depreciating every day as he gets older. So that's a fact that we have to consider while we
After all, age matters at the end of the day.
Absolutely, absolutely. So at 33 coming to PL, I think he should be given more of a free role as a cam on and false nine. These are the roles I think he would be better if